Hi, I'm Mark with At My Home, and today we're going to do a review of the Wyze Cam OG and the Wyze Cam OG Tele and the Wyze Cam OG Stack Kit. So this is kind of cool because you can use these two things separately, but they made this stack kit to put the cameras together because one's a regular view camera and the other one is a telephoto camera. So let's take a look at what's in here. Let's put this aside for a second. So here's the OG. So this is a regular camera. All right. And it comes with all kind of good stuff. So stickers, start guide, silica, comes with a power adapter, comes with some screws, comes with a cable for powering up, and it comes with the camera. Now let's see. So this is the OG camera. So this is just a regular, Wyze camera as far as like a regular view. All right, so this is interesting because it's supposed to be able to go outdoors, so we'll see how it works. Here's the power connector. So it looks like it's a waterproof power connector. It's mounted permanently in the camera. Speaker in the back, and some sort of a thing in the front here that slides out. Put that back in. And here's the camera itself. And then it's on a swivel base, and it's got some sort of a mount here that you can pull up. So there we go. So that's it. That's the OG. And this is the Tele. So this is the telephoto version. And it's going to be interesting to see how telephoto is. Okay, another eye-backed, the Wyze Cam OG Telephoto 3X. So I guess it's going to be a 3X zoom from the other one. And what else do we have in here? Let's see. Screws to mount it. Another power adapter. And another cable. All right, and then the camera. Okay, so here's the camera. All right, looks just like the other one, doesn't it? Okay, let's see. So it comes with the waterproof connector, speaker in the back, and the base, the mounting base. It's kind of interesting mounting base. And but it's telephoto, so it looks the same. It doesn't look any different. And it comes, like I said, with all the things you need. All right, so you could set both of them up separately if you want, no problem. And then they have a stack kit. This is what I think is really kind of cool about this. Is imagine you have your two cameras here pointing the same way, but you want to get a close-up of what, when far away, you can do that with this. So the stack kit comes with another power adapter. Oh, and a very big cable here. So if you take a look at it, you got USB-C, USB-A on one end, and then it splits into two with the micro USB connectors you can hook up to both cameras. That's nice. You don't have to have two wall outlets to plug things into. So that's pretty nice. You've got something to mount this. So remember on this camera here, we could take off the top. And I can slide this in. Okay, I got the stack kit here. And the stack kit then can hook on to this somehow. So we'll have to, I see. So this would come off. All right, take off the base. And it has the thing to hook it on. So there we go. We got that hooked up, and we can adjust it so it's totally adjustable. All right, that's pretty neat. Look at this. You got them hooked together, and then you just plug the two things into the power connectors in the back, and you've got the whole thing. And that's all stacked together, all as one unit. And now you've got two cameras, one looking the regular field of view, and the other one with the 3X telephoto. The settings for both cameras are similar to the earlier versions. Detection settings let you define the motion sensitivity, detection zone, and motion tagging. Motion tagging is nice so you can see what the camera thinks is in motion. You can also use sound for detection. Event recording defines if you want to record motion or sound events. And if you have Cam Plus, you can define the type of motion events you want recorded. Person, friendly faces, pets, vehicle, and packages. To save you from too many notifications, you can filter by which type of events you want. The camera can even detect if it hears your smoke or CO alarms. Advanced settings manages various items like the SD card, where you can record continuously or event-based. Turn on night vision or other settings. The OG camera has a spotlight that you can set to turn on when there is motion in low light. The Tele camera does not. In recent events, you can filter by various types of detection. We filtered here by pet, and as you can see, it detected lots of cute dogs walking by. In live view, you can view the camera you selected, and then pull out a small overlay of the other OG camera. You can move the overlay around the screen so as not to obscure the main view. Even if you rotate to full screen, you can move the overlay around. If you record the live video, it only records the main view, not the overlay. We tested night vision with the night vision mode off because our cameras had some bushes in the way. Camera placement is key if you want to use night vision. As you can see, the OG camera did just fine. The OG Telephoto, on the other hand, struggled a bit. Overall, these OG cameras are a nice improvement over their predecessors. The OG Telephoto adds that extra level of detail of objects at a distance, while the Stack Kit makes using them a powerful pair that is easy to cable, mount, and adjust. Thank you for watching.